Hi everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I wanted to come here tonight and share a really adorable project with you that I'm super excited about. This is part of my hashtag paper stash smash, and this one I just could not wait till the end of the month to share with you. I think it is absolutely adorable. So this is part of my June paper collections that I'm trying to smash, and I think I did a pretty good job on this one. I only have like this piece of paper here because it has the die cuts on it, you know, a couple other pieces and then some embellishments. I think I've got an idea for what to do with that, but I just wanted to, I used most of it on this project. So what this project is, you guys, is a project done by Carolina of Carolina's Crafts, and she did this for a Mother's Day folio album, and it was super adorable. And then if you go to her shop, you can get all of the access to the cut guides and the videos and all that stuff. So I did that and made this album, and it just turned out super cute, and I can't wait to share it with you. So again, this is for hashtag paper stash smash as well. I was using Echo Park's Walking on Sunshine. So this is what I have left with that. And like I said, I do have some ideas of what to do. Like the stickers, I pretty much wiped them out. So I'm pretty sure that I can say that this is done. And then I did want to share with you, this is the first page of the cut guide printable that you can get if you go to Carolina's shop, and I will have everything down below listed so you can go check it out. Super fun. She has all of the tutorials, all of the matting tutorials, all of the decoration stuff. I mean, you're gonna love it, how she makes her journals and stuff. And I love watching her process because she does a really nice job and talks you through what she's thinking and what she's doing and why she's doing it and all that. So this is the first page, but anyways, please go check it out. Links are down below. You got to see this. All right, so here's the album that I made. So it's adorable. It's adorable. So I chose this cut apart for the front. I used the die cuts that I had that actually didn't go with this paper collection, but I chose some that I thought fit kind of this theme, and used some enamel dots that I picked. And if you watched my video on my last paper stash smash, I'll have that linked below. You'll see that I kind of made myself kits this time. This is a free-for-all, kind of do what you want to do thing, and I picked some stuff and I made my own kits. I've been reorganizing my room, and I found a bunch of stuff, and so yeah, I need to use it. So this turned out really good. I added some gold paper here. Here's the spine. It does say Another Day in Paradise, and I used some enamel dots there. That's where one of the stickers is. And then here is the back with the sticker here that says Sunshine and Happy Faces. Use the ribbon that I had picked out to close it. And so it opens like this. So we'll start over here. So this has a little ribbon pull and then a little magnet, and it opens up. And again, using some stickers and stuff, but I love this part because I have the kind of the continuity of the ocean waves and the sunshine here and all the fishies in the middle. Just really super cute. And again, it does have a magnet closure on there. Here's the right side. So this flap opens up, and then you have a pocket. And I did use some of those die cuts that, again, do not go with this collection, but I thought they worked, you know. And then I added some of the tags from the paper collection, some of the 3x4 cut aparts. And then I went through since I redid my room and found all my vacation stuff, I had these two pieces that I thought fit the collection. These are journal cards. So I thought, well, I'm putting those in here as well, and kind of using my stash. You guys, aren't you proud of me? I'm doing such a good job. So then the middle part is really cool because it has another magnet closure pocket. She shows you how she makes this gusseted pocket. And then inside of this gusseted pocket here is the journal. So now she used a lot of junk journal style papers, so she used quite a bit of fun stuff. I kind of went a little bit more simple, and I just used pattern papers and the copy paper, okay, and just made a journal to fit in there. On the front, I put the strip of paper over top of my fishies, and then I used some of that ribbon that I pulled for this kit and glued that down. and then used one of the little cut aparts that they had in the collection. I just fussy cut around there and used that as the title. So that's the front. There's the back. It is done with a pamphlet stitch binding. And I'll just kind of quickly flip through. So what I did was I kept it kind of pretty simple. Use stickers in places, and then I just have the white copy paper. So I thought this would be a great book to journal your beach vacation. All right. I'm going to have a beach vacation coming up in August. So I thought this would be perfect because we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to take a lot of pictures, and I can journal and do all that stuff. So I did make 2 pockets, and I made actually 4 pockets, I think. I made a couple pockets. Anyways, and then I used some more of those tags that I found, and then I had some library cards in my stash. So I thought that was kind of fun to just add in there and, you know, put some stuff in. So I did add a couple paper clips. I just happened to have them on my desk and the colors fit. So I put those in there, and then I used some of the extra 3x4 cut aparts to put under those. So I can journal on this. And here is another little pocket, just a glued pocket, and more cards. And then I found this cute postcard in my stash. I put this stamp that I found on from my stash, and then used a piece of the pattern paper that was left over just to decorate the back. So that pops in here. And then again, I just put stickers kind of randomly and used them up, which is a great way to use stickers. I've done this quite a few times. Using up my pattern papers. On this one here, I did a little flip for photos, and then it is actually a belly band, but I didn't put anything in there yet, and I'm not sure what to put in there. So there. There's another paper clip with another cut apart, and then here's another belly band, which needs something. But yeah, I kind of used up my stuff and made this cute little book. The one thing you do have to watch when you do this book is that it doesn't get too thick, so it still fits in your pocket, you know, but that's a good thing. So this one here, this was a little flip that I created out of the scraps that I had left over. So it just flips open like that. So you have the 3 picture opportunities. It is glued on 2 sides, so you can use it as a pocket. And then this little paper clip here just kind of keeps that flap shut. Another tag that I found, and then another library card. Those go in there. Aren't those lobsters cute? I just think they're funny. And then this one here is just another flip. And this one is glued all the way down, so then you have the 2 photo opportunities there. And then that's the back page. So then this just goes into this pocket. And you can see my pocket did get kind of full, but that's good. That's fine. And then it closes with the magnet, and then it goes like that and like that. And then you just tie it to close. So this was a fun project. This did wipe out that particular collection almost completely. I have a little bit left I can do some stuff with, and I haven't quite, like I said, figured out what I'm going to do, but I have a couple ideas. So when I do, I will let you know. But again, this is a tutorial that I used from Carolina at Carolina's Crafts. Go check out her website, go check out her YouTube channel, and check out everybody else in our hashtag paperstashsmash series, because this is so much fun. I love it. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you later. I'll be back soon with more fun stuff. All right. Stay crafty. Bye-bye.